Hello and thank you. Welcome and thank you for joining the class. Now previously we started with this in the last class. Now if you missed out how we moved from here to here, please watch the previous videos. Now we had an exponential equation and we solved to this place. We got the quadratic equation, we derived it from this. Now in order to arrive at this, we have substituted 2 raised to the power of q, 2 raised to the power of x with q. Now, when you see q, you know it actually represents it. Wherever you see q in this equation, it's actually represented 2 raised to the power of x. But because we don't want it to look so cumbersome, we represented it with this. So we're going to find the roots of the equation, and then the next step, probably the next video, will be to convert back into this and then find the value of x. But let's move on from here. What we have now on our plate is to find the roots of the equation. This one that is before us. Now let's go. What we have here is q raised to the power of 2, and then we have 2q minus 8 is equals to x. Now, like what we said previously, what you do is this: identify this place and here. Look for two numbers that when you add or subtract them, it will give you 2q. But when you multiply them, it will give you minus 8. That is, when you multiply, it's going to give you minus 8. Now again, let's come back to this place. Say when you add them, when you add or subtract, it's going to give you this is plus 2, right? What do you do? Plus 2. You can put the q plus 2q. Or when you multiply them, it's going to give you minus 8. Now, what are those two numbers? Let's come out. Now, what I discovered over the years is better to start from the multiplication. To get something that will give you minus 8. Please do not forget this rule. Minus times minus gives you plus, and plus times plus gives you minus. Then minus times plus, plus times minus, these two gives you minus and minus. This looks alike. Girl gives you positive, boy gives you positive. Girl boy or boy girl gives you negative. You understand? So whichever way, I just use boy girl, just like twins, just to make it easily understood. Now, how do we derive the numbers that will give us minus 8? Now let's put this value distance here. Minus times minus, plus times plus, minus times plus, plus times minus. Now let's see. What are the two numbers that you will multiply to give you 8? You see that it's 8 times 1, or it's 2 times 4. Right? Now, let's see this. There is no way you add, 8 times 1 will give you 8, right? But 8 times 8 plus 1 will give you 9, or 8 minus 1 will not give you 4. So remember, what we're looking for is 2. So we're going to look at this other one. 2 times 4 will give you 8. 2 plus 4 can give you 6. 2 minus 4 or 4 minus 2 can give you 2. So this is likely going to be the combination, not this. Because if I add 8 plus 1, it's going to give me 9. This one, if I do 8 minus 1, it's going to give me 7. So this combination will not do. So it's far away. But this combination, 4 times 2, or let me put it as 4 times 2. 4 times 2. Now 4 plus 2 can give me 6. And then 4 minus 2 can give me 2. So that means this can get closer to this. Just as this combination can give me 8, it can also give me 2. But let's now know which operation sign combination will help give 8 and something about this. Give plus 2 and minus this. Let's put our numbers there. Now let's have 4 here. Minus 4 minus 2. right? Now let's multiply. Minus times minus will give you plus. 4 times 2 will give you 8. Now what do we have here? Plus 8. No, what we're looking for is minus 8. So without much ado, this, what we have is plus 8. This combination is wrong. It's not going to help us. Let's not even bother trying to this, because when you add minus 4 minus 2, meaning I'm owing $4, I'm also owing $2. Question number 1. Am I still owing? Yes. Minus. How much am I owing now? $6, because I'm owing $2. I'm owing $4. I'm still owing, both makes $6. So 6 is not this. I'm looking for minus plus 2. So this combination for minus minus, that is minus 4 and minus 2 will not do. Let's see plus plus. Now plus 4 and plus 2. Will it go? Let's see. Plus times plus gives you plus. It won't. Okay. Now, okay, times is the plus, and then 4 times 2 will give you 8. Already this is not going to work because this is plus. We're looking for minus 8. So there's no point even going further to do this. Okay, now if we decide to still go further, 4, let's use the plus sign now. Let's do the plus. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. We are not looking for plus 6. We are not looking for plus 8. So this combination of plus 4 and plus 2 is not going to help us. So let's discard it. And the alternative is other 2 options. Let's put the 4 here and the 2 here. 4 times 2, minus times plus. Minus times plus is minus. Let's come here. Minus times, right? 4 times 2 is what? 8. Okay, this looks like this. This one didn't work. This didn't work. Minus 8, good. Let's see if this will work. Now let's turn this to plus. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus means what? Owing. And then plus means you're paying or you are having. Now, I'm owing $4 and I paid, or I'm paying $2. Owing $4, paying $2. Question number 1, am I still owing? Yes. Minus means owing, right? Okay, how much am I owing? I have paid $2. That means I'm still owing $2. So what we have here is minus 2. But what we need is plus 2. That means this won't work. This combination 2 did not work. It tried here but it failed here. So this combination is wrong. Now let's do the last. Now let's try plus 4 minus 2. Let's see. Plus times minus. Plus times minus. Plus times minus. Plus times minus is minus. So let's have it minus. 4 times 2 is 8. That means it's looking like this. It's also correct. But let's see if this will be correct. If this is correct, that means we choose. That means this combination will be correct. Now let's turn this to plus. Plus 4 plus. Now 4 times minus. Plus times minus will eventually change to minus, right? So plus 4 minus 2. Let me change. I have $4, but I'm owing $2. When I pay the $2, am I still owing or do I have a change? I'm no longer owing. I gave the person $4, so when the person returns a change of $2 to me, that means I have, plus means have. How much do I have? $2. Now wait a minute, it looks like this, plus 2 and plus 2, they look alike. and this look alike. That means this combination is the correct one. So the combination that will fit in here will be plus 4 minus 2. Plus 4 and minus 2 will be, so it's going to be plus 4q, and we're going to be using plus 4q and minus 2q to substitute here, right? So this is quite lengthy. Okay, so what we'll have here, in order to substitute this will be represented by now, to represent it by plus 4q and minus 2q. So we're not going to have this place again. So this plus is this, and then q is to the power 2, and then this 8 will remain 0. So you will now see that this, so this is what we're going to have. Now in having this, we'll now proceed to solving the question, right? Now let's go. In solving the question, what we'll do is that we'll pick here and pick here, pick here and pick here. Now let's see what is here that is also here. What is here that is also here? Now look here. What we have here is q times q, and this is 4 times q. Now this is minus 2q minus 2 times q, and this is minus times 8 times 1. Now I want to leave it here. I want you to try this by yourself. Now you can look at the previous work, the previous videos, and see how I did this, and try it by yourself. And then you watch the next video, but try it first by yourself to see if you'll get it. Watch the next video and be sure if you're going to have it. And then we'll find the factors. We want to find the factors of this and the factors of this. We'll bring them out. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I want to see you in the next video. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.